We're talking about tools and we're talking about electrical meters. Now what I've got out on the table here is just a variety of electrical meters, and you can get meters as cheap as 29 or 30 bucks or $300 or $400. They all do the same thing. They have different options, and I'll just show you a couple real quick. We can get a meter we pretty much always want to get a meter that does multiple things. So if we get a meter that can check amperage and capacitance and temperature and voltages, that's really nice. Okay, if that meter also happens to come with a non-contact voltage option where when it gets close to voltage it lights up, that's also nice. Now we can spend a little more money, we can get various different brands. I like to always have a multi-purpose meter that always has the amperage clamp. If we move into some of the higher end meters, they have adjustable heads, removable heads. This happens to be the amperage head that would go on here. We could also have other heads for this meter that do other things besides electrical. So that's very nice to have. And then we can get into wireless. We can get into one that does all those other functions, but also can be Bluetooth to our phone. That's also very nice. Now, always with a meter, no matter whether it's a inexpensive meter or it's a very expensive meter, they do fail. They have to be double checked, and we usually want a non-contact voltage tester that we carry around in our pocket. We pull it out just kind of like a backup. If I want to know, if I'm just curious, is something hot before I put my hand on it, I can know right away. Now I know if I go and I put my meter on this and my meter reads 0, now I'm suspect of my meter. So I'm always going to have a couple of things. A pocket non-contact plus whatever meter I choose, and I'm going to go from there. But that's your sampling of tools, basically electrical meters.